So this MacBook Pro has been through the El Capitan install process onto the new internal SSD, which now means in theory I can disconnect the external hard drive, which is the current operating system on. So I'm just going to unplug the Firewire 800. So that is now not going to boot from that at all. That's totally out of the equation. And we can also get an idea of how fast the thing boots compared to how it was booting before. So let's just turn it on. So I don't know, it didn't actually seem that fast to me. How fast is it kind of launching? Something like system prefs can churn away, can't it? Okay, so that's actually pretty instant. App Store, that's probably, yeah, that's pretty quick. Something like Safari, yeah, it's pretty fast. So definitely an improvement with application launch times, even if the boot time is a little disappointing. But then I am used to the hardwired SSD of my MacBook Air. But nonetheless, for a 2009 machine, nice little performance boost.